What's going on, YouTubers, gunners, subscribers? This video is a little weird because I started to film putting on the interior yesterday, so I'm continuing today. So it might look weird, it might not. I'll try to do my best editing, but yeah, the interior is all wrapped up in Oren. I just fixed the fender well, put that nice and neat and clean. It's really hard to see. Hold on, can we see it from this angle? Well, fender well's there and the mud flap, and I'm setting up the shifter now, the K-Tune shifter plate. Bear with me. Setting up the K-Tune shifter plate, and I've got my K-Tune shifter brand new. Beauty. So I'll be setting that up. I'm going to try to wrap up this interior today and maybe run the cables through, just so when the motor's completely done, I'm literally 2 hours from turning it on. You know what I mean? Just taking my time, and that's it. Hope you enjoy the vlog, man. Channel's going well. Appreciate all of you for being here. Let's gun. I mean, I don't know how good this lighting is, but this carpet is in great shape, man. It is in great shape. No wonder it was worth 300 bucks. But yeah, we packed in the interior, cleaned up as much as we could. We're gonna still clean the panels on the side, you know, maybe with some like soap and water, nothing to scrub, just like a soft spring, a soft like sponge. But this interior is coming out great, man. Little sunburn from up top of there, but nothing we can't deal with. The interior, it's coming out great. It's really coming out great. Yeah, we're gonna put all the rest of the Type R stuff here. We're gonna slap these front seats in and then put the mats in, and we're pretty much done with the interior. We got the cargo cover for the back over there. So yeah. I've always loved Type R interior. It's just something about, you know, the black with the red stitching, like it like never fails, you know? Never ever fails. I never met someone that wasn't a fan of Type R interior. It's great. So I'm just putting these bolts on nice and loose so we can move everything around. And then I'll finish putting these front seats in, and then we'll show you the interior when we're done. That's it. Interior is all done with this part. As far as the seating and carpeting, got all the Type R floor mats, all 4. Seats are in pretty good condition. I mean, if I had to rate them like out of 10, I'd say they're a 7. I mean, the color's still there a little bit, but I mean, we're getting there. We are getting there. Oren's gonna be a nice car, man. I can't wait to see who ends up with it. So yeah, so obviously this car was K before, so I'm just going to run these 2 bolts down through here, and then these are the ones that I need to grab the nuts on the other end. Pause. So I'll jump inside the interior, and we'll get that plate going right there. Let's put the shifter on. Guys, when I tell you it's hot in New York, it is hot in New York. It is brutal out here. And I have no battery for this car. I'm about to put a booster pack and get these windows down, because I could barely breathe in here, man. But yeah, you got your 4 hex keys that go into here. Obviously, you guys know how this works. You put the 2 that thread in at the top, and then you drop these bad boys in, and then grab the nut on the bottom of it. Pause. Pause, pause, pause. I am loving the way this interior is coming out. Make sure that's all the way down. Just make sure that's all the way down. Yeah, it's all the way So we'll grab the 2 nuts on the bottom, and then this shifter plate is done. So hopefully I get lucky right now, and I don't have to hold the top. I just have to do this nice and fast. Nailed it. It worked. So I added a washer for a little insurance. So I don't think I'm gonna get lucky with this one. Oh, I got lucky twice. Wow. I got lucky twice. That's good to go. Alright, so those 2 are good. I'll go back up there and tighten up these 2, and we're golden. I can't believe I got that lucky. I got all these guys lined up right now. I'll just put that down. I think there's so many tutorials of this shifter box being put in. It's ridiculous. I'm not doing nothing. I'm just tightening it down. Okay, that's good. Go here. Man, you know what? Hold on. Before I tighten that last one, I will. I'm real worried about 40 right now because he's at court. Hopefully today they dropped the case. So some freaking douchebag was hanging out in the corner, and 40 was in the corner. This was about last year. This court case is going on for about a year now. And the cops were coming to the corner just to, like, you know, either, you know, just search everyone or break it up. And some kid, like, threw a pack of drugs next to 40's leg, and they charged 40 for the drugs. So today, 40's been clean for almost 10 months now, and he doesn't smoke weed. So they tested him. It wasn't in the system. They sent him to a program just in case. But I think the program honestly saved his life, because if he would have failed, he would have had to do a mandatory year in jail. So, and he didn't snitch the guy out. He just said, hey, it's not mine. I don't know whose it is. But he kept his mouth shut. But today is hopefully his last day at court. So I gave him some money to get over there, and because it's too hot to take a bike. So, you know, hopefully by the time he comes back, he has some good news. I'm going to finish tightening up the shifter box. It's just one more, and then we'll move on to the vlog. I don't know why I thought about that out of nowhere. It just hit me in the head because I'm real worried about him. But, whatever. How we looking, boys? How we looking? It's in. Man, that fits beautiful. I hate this. I need to replace it. If anyone has something to replace this, I forget what goes here. Please. I am PayPal ready. Please send so I can put this radio back where it belongs and put the cup holder thing. I don't know how it works. I forget. Please help. I hate this. But yeah, it's in. Don't tell Mike. But he left his shift knob here. 5-speed. The clickbait. That's it, boys. Shifter looking money. Interior's looking money. Interior's looking money. Bolt up these 2. Close it up. Got the armrest in there. We looking good. I don't know, guys. Let's get some feedback here. How's this interior look? This is leaving 100%. I'm ordering a steering wheel tomorrow. I'm sorry. But how are we looking so far? How are we looking so far, ladies and gents? Interior is all done. Starting to look like something here. We're starting to look like something. Yeah, guys, I know I wouldn't do it to you. I knew you guys were going to ask me which way do we run these cables. So this hole was there already, and I ran it through there. I didn't want to run it through that one there, because that one's awful. But this one right here was perfect. So that's where I ran the 2 cables through, and that's gonna strap up right to the transmission. Let me see if I can get. Yeah, but we're golden on that. We're golden on that part. So that's it. We're waiting for a few things, and this car is literally almost done. I'm gonna run and grab some fuel parts from Tri-State, but this thing is coming out great, man. This thing's coming out great. Okay, guys, I'm signing out of here. Let me know what you think about the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Talk to me about the interior. Look who's here. Look, show him your shirt. Show him your shirt, big boy. Vicky got his own shirt made. Check it out. The helmet one. Oh, he nailed it. That shirt's awesome. Follow Vicky's IG page. It's in the description. Oren. Yeah, she's coming along, man. Thank you for your continuous support. Keep gunning. What happened? What happened in court?
He's finished.
Not guilty.
Yeah, finished.
Not guilty.
Yeah.
Yo, they give you your bail money back or what?
One
Not
month.
guilty.
And 1 month.
1 month you get your money back?
Yeah.
My nigga. Everybody was worried about you on YouTube.
He paid 240.
You paid $240?
Yeah.
You
That's
got
it.
money, bro. I
And
got
he
you.
got the for night.
Oh, you got to pay it by September 30th.
Ah.
That's light. We get you that bread. Yo, say bye to everybody. Keep gunning.
Say bye. Bye. Keep go. Kill it 47.